Hello YouTube, I modified this pellet right here to explode. Are you ready? Here I go. Uh-oh. I'm gonna shoot it at the wall. Let's see if we can get this on camera. At least listen to the sound.